Are you willing to do whatever it takes? In your marriage, are you willing to do whatever it takes? Jeff had been cheating on Alison for over 6 months. They had been married almost 14 years, had 2 kids. 24 hours after Alison found out Jeff was cheating, they're sitting in my office. Jeff was very quiet as they took turns sharing the story. They both said they wanted to see if they could save their marriage. Alison's motive was more related to their kids than to Jeff, but she was willing to work on it. So when I asked Jeff what he wanted, he said, "I want Alison and I want my marriage. I'll do whatever it takes." Alison and Jeff began this difficult process of picking up the pieces and understanding why this affair happened and slowly rebuilding trust. I was thinking about Jeff and Alison one day, and the words Jeff said kept going through my mind, whatever it takes. And then it hit me. What if Jeff had said those exact same words a year before, and instead of applying those words to rebuilding his marriage, they were applied to building and strengthening his marriage? Why do couples wait for a crisis to work on their marriage? I don't think that any couple begins married life together thinking that they will just settle for a so-so marriage. No, we want the best marriage ever. We want our marriage to be the envy of every other couple. We want the perfect billboard marriage. And we're sure that we will do whatever it takes to have that. That's what every couple wants as they walk down that aisle. Somewhere along the way, we let the distractions of life sidetrack us. The focus, the intentionality are placed elsewhere. We take our marriage for granted, and then something happens. Something gets our attention in a big way. Jeff, he committed to do whatever it takes for the rest of his life. Alison eventually came alongside him, making the same commitment. So what about you? What about me? What if we said we will do whatever it takes to have the marriage that God designed for us? What if we live that out day after day, whether our marriage is going great or it's struggling, whether it is okay or in crisis, no matter where it is today? What if we made the commitment to each other and to our marriage to do whatever it takes? If this video helped you, I'd love for you to share it with someone you know. Thanks.